Hey guys, it's Andy from Andy's Travel Blog here with a new DJI Mavic Air. Now I gave you my first impressions in a video that I'll post a link to above and below, but just out here, it's a lovely day out at White Rock Lake, flying the drone around on its first couple flights, and had the Phantom 4 out here as well. My buddy Scott behind the camera is helping me out with this, and this little thing is so great. Keep in mind it's this small, but it shoots 4K video, 3-axis stabilization. It can shoot 32 megapixel panoramas from like a still image perspective. So it's been absolutely fantastic, but I do want to get you some footage of this thing in action, including some of the follow modes where you can have it automatically follow you, because those are really, really impressive. So yeah, let's take a look at some of the footage. Awesome, so I really hope you enjoyed that. I love flying this thing around. It's been great getting to know the flying dynamics of it compared to the Phantom 4 Pro, because obviously they're gonna be different. This one's so much smaller than that, but I cannot wait to take this around the world with me, hopefully very soon, because this is just gonna open up so many doors. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And until next time, this is Andy from Andy's Travel Blog. Take care out there, and we'll see you in the skies.